Don't you know he is the king of saxophones? Yes, indeed he is. Talking about the guy that made it sound so good. Some people know him by the beam, but Hawkins is his name. He sure can swing and play birdie too. Sounds good to me, should sound good to you. I love to hear him playing body and soul, very pleasing to the ear. When I first heard it on the record, I just stopped right there. Sounded like a band of angels in the sky, and I have never ever heard a sweeter tone. In fact, I paid no attention to the saxophone till Coleman Hawkins came along and spoke to everyone, saying, better listen, won't you hear me while I play for you? Sometimes it's hot and again it's blue. My soldiers seem to wander, pleasing each and every one, is what I've long been craving for. The doors have not been always open, but I am trying to please you. Please don't try to stop me, hope you like it, folks. And then he started cooking. Every time he played some melodic melody, fast or slow, you could tell that it was Hawkins. No other one ever has quite captured his tone, just he alone. As the sound it penetrates, it will sure go right through you, yes it will. And every chorus gives you just another thrill. Dixieland or jazz, it makes no difference. Everyone in Europe really loves him. In Gay Paris, in Germany, it's ya and we. All his fans in Sweden loves him, place no one above him. Here in the USA, I've heard him say, oh, Hawkins still the man. He's had his own band, folks in all lands gives him a hand, 'cause he's so grand, yes sirree. And in New Zealand, music lovers are still talking about Coleman Hawkins. All around the world, he is known. There can't be no doubt about his knowledge of the horn. He must have been born to blow the tenor, 'cause the melody just flows everywhere, flows right through the air, oh yes. And I've got to remind you, 20 years it took him, playing every day to attain his first claim to fame. He was 20 years ahead of time, and he knew it, but he kept right on a-cooking. He went all around the world, making rhythm, 'cause music sure was in him, and I know it was. Benny Goodman was king of swing. Everybody loved to dance. Hawkins knew he had a chance to play music, so he blew. And he blew, and he blew, and he blew. He blew his tenor, and he played it summer and winter. Then he got his masterpiece, and I'm trying to sing it for you. Hope that I am getting through to everyone. There I go. I didn't mean to reminisce. You can surely bet that I won't forget, 'cause I haven't yet. Goodbye. Miles Davis walked off the stage. That's what the folks are all saying. Well, yes, he did leave the stage. Soon as his solo was over, Coltrane, he walked off the stage. That's what the folks are all saying. Oh, yes, they both left the stage, clean out of sight now. They felt they had to rehearse. Although we know they are masters, they get a real groovy sound, and you will have to admit it. But yes, they both left the stage soon as the solos were over. And if you can't figure out their groove, I'd like to hip you. Well, my friends, now about Miles Davis, I never know why some people always try to find some fault of this man and his horn. And when they go to wherever he is playing, they seem to go to see whether he is going to tend to business. Sap, bap, boo, ba, doo, doo, ba, doo, should do it, do grab, fiddly, bop, bop, see ya. He never walks around the place and speaks to all of the folks he don't know. I wouldn't either, and neither would you, friends. But I know he is friendly. I do, the rest of us we do. Oh yes, we dig his beautiful soul, and we love him and his blue horn. And here's another thing now about the clothes he wear. I am sure his style is in the future. He is cool, the fit of his clothes are perfect. Just like the way he plays, he's not afraid of being different. And he has one most pose in this modern jazz. He and Gillespie are kings. Miles and his group are breaking records, yeah, because they sure do swing. Miles Davis walked off the stage. That's what the folks are all saying. Oh yes, he did leave the stage. Soon as his solo was over, Coltrane, he walked off the stage. That's what the people are saying. Oh yes, they both left the stage, clean out of sight now. They said they had to rehearse. Although we know they are masters, they get a real mellow sound, and you will have to admit it. But yes, they both left the stage soon as the solos were over. And if you couldn't figure out their groove, well, I have hipped you. Yes, they both left the stage. So what?
his soul into a tenor saxophone. He had his way of talking, 'twas a language of his own. Life story, love and glory, if you listen when he plays it for you. Now listen and listen and dig it. Can't you dig it? Lester Young is playing what he's feeling, dealing in dancing. Now someone might have told you Lester Young, he's out of style. But now I'm here to tell you praise is happening now. Life story, love and glory, if you listen when he plays it for you. Now listen and dig it. Can't you dig it? Lester Young is playing what he's feeling, dealing in dancing. He poured all of his soul into a tenor saxophone. He had his way of talking, 'twas a language of his own. Life story, love and glory, if you listen when he plays it for you. Now listen and dig it. Can't you dig it? Lester Young is playing what he's feeling, dealing and dancing. Now someone might have told you Lester Young, he's out of style, but now I'm here to tell you praise is happening now. Life story, love and glory, if you listen when he plays it for you. Now listen and dig it. Can't you dig it? Lester Young is playing what he's feeling, dealing and dancing
Come with me if you want to go to Kansas City. I'm feeling low down and blue, my heart's full of sorrow. Don't hardly know what to do. Where will I be tomorrow? Going to Kansas City, wanna go to. No, you can't make it with me. Going to Kansas City, sorry that I can't take you. When you see me coming, raise your window high. When you see me leaving, baby, hang your head and cry. I'm afraid there's nothing in Miss Creamy's dreamy town a honky-tonky monkey woman can do. She'd only bring herself down. So long, everybody. The time is coming, I must leave you. So if I don't ever see your smiling face again, make a promise you'll remember, like a Christmas day in December, that I told you all through thick and thin, on up till the end. Parker's been your friend. Don't hang your head when you see those 6 pretty horses pulling me. Put a $20 silver piece on my watch chain, look at the smile on my face, and sing a little song to let the world know I'm really free. Don't cry for me, 'cause I'm going to Kansas City.
Come with me if you want to go to Kansas City. My baby has gone away, and she has took my love with her. My woman just left today, and I'm surely gonna miss her. I got up this morning feeling happy, 'cause I thought the day was gonna be so sunny, bright and gay all day for me. But when I looked around, lo and behold, let me tell you what I found. My baby's closet was as bare as it could be, and she had wrote a note and left it for me. Lord, I'm so all alone. The note said, Daddy, Daddy, I really hate to leave you, but I got to go, and I know it's gonna hurt you to your poor old soul. Though I like you 'cause you treated me so fine, I just couldn't keep pretending, feeling the way I do, and being untrue just wouldn't be fair to you. So I am leaving, hope that you're not grieving too much. I'll come back if you'll only say you'll help me, dear, to love you like I should. I promise I'll be good, my sweet, just try to understand. I know you're for me, and I think we can be happy. Hey, 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 pretty baby. Oh, how I wish you could hear me. I didn't understand. Yes, I want to be your man. I took love so for granted. Now I know I was wrong. Have mercy, baby, baby. Have mercy on me. Lordy, help me find McCarty and bring her home to me, 'cause I know she'll be as happy as can be when she finds that I just didn't know. And if she comes back home, I'll never let her go again. I promise I won't. She's sweet as she can be, and I am sure she means the whole world to me. Bless my soul if my baby ain't back home again.